time. Okay, don't hesitate to ask. So let us begin our max class. Navneet, ready? Navneet?
Yes.
Navneet, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear, ma'am. They are saying something. Okay, children, understanding quadrilateral is the next chapter, and practical geometry. Okay. Okay, so this year we have some more chapters. Triangle chapter is there, quadrilateral, area of parallelogram, circles, and construction. 5 chapters from geometry. 9th standard, that's why 9th standard become a little bit tougher than your 8th standard. 7th and 9th is little bit tougher. 7th also there are addition of positive numbers and negative numbers, addition, multiplication, division, all comes in 7th standard. So 7th also little bit tough than 8th. And 8th is okay. I think you are okay with 8th, isn't it, no, Isha? Okay, it is no problem. Okay, it is 8th standard is no problem. Likewise, 10th also no problem. 10th is very easy to study. Okay, no problem with 10th. But 9th is little bit. I say a little bit. No problem. We will make it okay. We have to make it no other way. So we have to make it 9th also like 8th. We have to make it okay with. So we have 5 chapters from geometry. And like last year, polynomials are there, linear equation in one variable we have studied. Our second chapter, linear equation in one variable we have studied last year. Here, linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, so you become older. So instead of 1 variable, this year 2 variable. Okay, but next year again 2 variable, no 3 variable. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
overall how much chapters?
Overall 16 chapters, no, 15 chapters, 15 chapters. Okay. And surface area and volume you have studied last year, that also is there. Then coordinate geometry, that graphs and all you have studied, that also position of a point we have studied, that also there. And construction, surface area, statistics, and probability. By that we will, all the chapters are over. In this 16 chapters, 6 are from geometry. So, and last year, some of the chapters are deleted from our textbook, but I don't know what CBSE will decide this year. In the beginning, they told none of the chapters will delete. All the chapters you must study, but the things are going the same as last year because schools are not open. All the exams are postponed, so we can hope this year also they will exclude those 2 chapters. Okay, so 2 chapters will go then. Okay, so we have to begin our chapter number system. First chapter is number system because the next chapter also its continuation will come. So we will go in the same order we will start. So we are begin with our chapter number system. First chapter, number system. Okay, so number system, all of you think about numbers. So many numbers, all of you think about numbers. All the numbers to come into your mind. All of you think there are so many numbers, isn't it? See, Lynette is thinking very much. Isn't it, Lynette? So which was the first number comes to your mind, Lynette? Which was that first number which comes to your mind, Lynette?
Number means 1, 2, 3, 5.
Children, because we hear some problem with the mic, so you please say loudly because I can't hear properly. There's some problem with my headset.
Ma'am, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5?
I'm asking you which was the number, your favorite number that comes to your mind first.
5.
5. Good. Okay. Okay. So Lynette's favorite number is 5. Now we know different types of numbers. There are different types of numbers, isn't it? So
Yes.
For one type, Sridev, say one type. Sridev, we know there are different types of numbers are there. Say one type.
Odd numbers and even numbers.
Huh?
Odd numbers and even numbers.
Positive and negative. Okay, positive and negative. Good answer. I have some problem with the headset. That's why I can't hear properly. Okay.
Ma'am,
Natural numbers.
Which one?
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers. Very good. Who said that? Huh? Who said?
Abhiram.
Okay, natural numbers. Positive and negative numbers. Anything else?
Whole numbers.
Numbers.
Huh?
whole
Numbers.
Whole numbers. Very good. Whole numbers. Very good. Then, yes, Ritvik. Rational numbers. Yes, Ritvik. Rational numbers. Correct. Then,
Prime numbers.
then
Prime numbers.
prime numbers. Good. Prime numbers. Yes, Ritvik. Ritvik say irrational numbers also. Very good. Last year we have studied about irrational numbers. So positive numbers, negative numbers, and rational numbers, irrational numbers, and anything else?
Integers.
Hmm?
Integers.
Integers. Yes, correct. Integers. Then
Roman numbers.
whole numbers. Good. Whole numbers. Very good.
Square
Yes,
numbers.
Isha? Huh?
Square.
Square numbers also. Square numbers also. Then anything else?
Consecutive numbers.
Decimals. Decimals. Okay. Okay. So I will show you about okay, see natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Can you see that slide? Natural numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Natural numbers means the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, etc. Counting numbers are the natural numbers, and the natural numbers are denoted by what?
N.
N, capital N. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Now, when we add zero to the natural numbers, what we will get?
Whole number.
Whole number.
We will get whole numbers when we add 0 to the natural numbers. When we put 0 into n, we will get whole numbers. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And the whole numbers are denoted by the letter
W.
W.
by the letter W. The whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. Now, the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. And see, here's some question for you. Every natural number is a whole number. Is it correct or not?
True.
Why? Why? Every natural number is a whole number. Somebody say no.
True.
Hmm?
True.
Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4 is
True.
the whole numbers also.
Every natural number is a whole number or not?
True.
True.
Yes, natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, etc. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So every natural number is a whole number. It's correct. Isn't it, Anandita, Vaishnavi? Every natural number is a whole number. Second question, every whole number is a natural number. Is it true?
False.
False.
Why false? Why?
Because
Because
in natural
zero
numbers
is
there
a
is
whole
no
number.
Because zero is not a natural number, because 0 is not a natural number. Okay, so here we can see integers. 0, positive numbers to the from the number line to the right, positive numbers, to the left, negative numbers, negative integers, and 0, 0 integer, all together integers. Integers means positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. All these together we can say integers. And by which letter we can denote
Z.
integer?
Z.
Z, very good. We can denote integers using the letter Z. Okay. See, here again we have integers. Positive, negative, 0. Positive integers are called natural numbers. Positive integers are called natural numbers. And when 0 added to the natural number, we will get what?
Whole numbers.
Whole number.
number.
When we add 0 to the natural numbers, we will get whole numbers. Okay. Okay, children. Can you see the board?
No, ma'am, it's small.
Ma'am, it's small.
Not clear.
Slide is small.
Slides is not clear. Okay. I think there's some problem with, not problem, the board has been updated. So something happened to the board. We can't make it larger. Hmm. Hmm. Second. I can't make it. One second. Let me check. Something has happened. Yeah, I will draw it on the board. That is better. Okay, children, I will draw it on the board. That is better. Okay. See, we have natural numbers. Natural numbers. Which are the natural numbers? Numbers are
1, 2, 3.
Nikila? 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. And if we add 0, we will get what? We
Whole
add
numbers.
0 to the numbers, we get whole numbers. So whole numbers. Whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called whole numbers. Okay. And after that, whole numbers, we have integers. Integers. Integers, all the negative numbers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are integers. Integers. Then what next? What will be the next?
Rational numbers.
Rational numbers. Good. Rational numbers. All the decimals, fractions, everything in rational numbers. So rational numbers. Rational numbers. This is rational numbers. Then we have one more set. Which are they? Different from all these natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. We have one more set. What was that? Ritvik? What was that?
Rational.
Irrationals. Irrational numbers. Irrational number. So we have a set of all rational numbers and
Ma'am,
irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational number.
excuse me, ma'am.
All together, this rational number and irrational number are called real numbers. The
Excuse me,
whole
ma'am.
set is known as real numbers. Rational numbers
Excuse
together
me,
with
ma'am.
rational numbers
Ma'am.
is known as real numbers.
Ma'am,
Time is up.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, will decimals come under rational
Decimals
numbers?
also rationals. Rational numbers 5 by once again 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is decimal, no? So decimal means it is a rational number. Kesha. Real numbers. So real numbers contain all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Children, up to 10, how many, when our class will end?
30.
10:30.
10?
30.
30.
30.
What was the time now?
10:26.
26.
Okay, 26. Formal. So, I will show. So, the real number system, this chapter's name is number system. Number system contains the real numbers. Real numbers mean the numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. The whole rational numbers and irrational numbers. So in your first page, you draw a number system. Picture the figure of a number system. When you I can't show that figure. When you search Google, you can see different types how they represent the number system. It is there on my PPT, but it's not clear to you. Okay, so you search on your mobile, you can see different types the number system are represented. Okay, so you can give colors, different colors and all. So you draw the figure of a number system in your first page. So first we are starting with the first lesson, number system. The first page you draw a figure of a numbers that which contains rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay. So when is our next period?
1:40. 1 o'clock.
Okay, before that draw a number system in your book. Okay, all of you. So number system contain rational numbers and irrational numbers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we write it in notebook?
Note.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. You didn't get the papers from school? Writing papers from school you didn't get?
No, ma'am.
No? No, Alan, you didn't get?
No, ma'am.
No, okay, then what you will do? You can use your notebooks. Okay.